Are you looking for a way to stay focused and motivated as you work towards your goals? In this video, we'll show you how to use mindfulness to achieve your goals and create a more fulfilling and meaningful life. You'll learn how to set clear, specific, and achievable goals and use mindfulness to stay present, focused, and motivated as you work towards them. We'll also cover the importance of staying flexible and adaptable and show you how to use mindfulness to adapt to new challenges and setbacks. By incorporating mindfulness into your goal-setting process, you'll be able to stay on track and make progress towards your goals. So join us and learn how to use mindfulness to achieve your goals and create the life you want. Hello from Stupa Mindfulness and welcome to our video on how to achieve your goals with mindfulness in 2023. We're so excited to be starting the new year with this topic because using mindfulness to achieve your goals can be a powerful and effective way to stay focused and motivated. And what better time to start than at the beginning of a new year? So, what is mindfulness and how can it help you achieve your goals? Mindfulness is the practice of bringing your attention to the present moment without judgment. It can help you to stay present and focused rather than getting caught up in the past or worrying about the future. And when it comes to achieving your goals, this can be a huge advantage. In addition to helping you stay present and focused, mindfulness has been linked to a host of other benefits that can help you achieve your goals. Some research has suggested that mindfulness can improve memory and concentration, increase self-awareness and self-control, and even boost physical health. So even if you're not sure you'll notice any specific changes, there are plenty of good reasons to give mindfulness a try. There are many ways to incorporate mindfulness into your goal-setting process. Some people like to set aside a few minutes each day for mindfulness meditation, while others prefer to incorporate mindfulness into their daily routines through activities like mindful walking or eating. You might even try using mindfulness to set goals that are in line with your values and priorities rather than just focusing on external markers of success.
Here are some tips to making mindfulness a daily habit. One of the keys to making mindfulness a part of your goal-setting process is consistency. Here are a few tips to help you make mindfulness a daily habit. Set aside a specific time each day for mindfulness practice. This might be the first thing in the morning before bed or another time that works for you. You could also use a reminder or a sticky note on your computer or a notification on your phone. Having a visible reminder can help to keep mindfulness top of your mind. Find a method that works for you.
How to motivate yourself to achieve this? One of the keys to achieving your goals is to stay motivated and focused. By using mindfulness to stay present and focused, you'll be able to stay on track and make progress towards your goals. Mindfulness can also help you to stay flexible and adaptable, which is important when things don't go as planned. And by using mindfulness to appreciate your progress along the way, you'll be more likely to stay motivated and keep moving forward.
So, how can you start using mindfulness to achieve your goals? Here are a few tips to get you started. 1. Set clear, specific, and achievable goals. This will help you keep focused and ensure that you are working towards something that is meaningful and realistic. 2. Practice mindfulness regularly. The more you practice mindfulness, the better you will get at staying present and focused. Try setting aside a few minutes each day to focus on your breath or on an object in your environment.
Incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine, whether it's taking a mindful walk or pausing for a few minutes of meditation before starting your day. Finding ways to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. 4. Stay flexible and adaptable. No matter how well you plan, things don't always go as expected. By using mindfulness to stay present and open to change, you'll be able to adapt to new challenges and continue working towards your goals.
Five, celebrate your progress. When you're working towards a long term goal, it's important to take the time to celebrate your progress along the way. By using mindfulness to appreciate your accomplishments, you will be better able to stay motivated and keep moving forward.
We hope these tips have been helpful and that you're feeling inspired to start using mindfulness to achieve your goals in 2023. Remember, the key is to be consistent and to find a mindfulness practice that works for you. With a little bit of practice, you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals and creating a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you have a happy and successful new year.